What's so cool about manufacturing?
Let's do something great today.
What do you think of first when you think of solar innovations?
We think of our overall corporate goal of being the best place to work and the best at what we do.
Why is it so important for solar innovations to be a green company?
Our goal is to build a sustainable company and leave the environment better than how we found it.
Craig, what is the coolest thing that you do here at Solar Innovations?
In my opinion, the coolest thing I do here at Solar Innovations would be I get to see the finished product when it goes out the door. When it comes in here, it starts as a bar here or a bar there, and then so everything gets put together and gets shipped out. It's a whole door together or a whole skylight together, and it's just really cool to see a product from when it goes to nothing until when it goes on top of a building.
If I was a product here in Pine Grove, how long would I be here and how long would I last?
In terms of actually being here in our shop atmosphere, you could be here for maybe about 4 weeks or so through the whole process till we build it, get the glass in, all that type, and get it out the door. As far as lasting in the field or at a customer's application, our structures, we're a 20-year-old company. We're still going strong with all the structures that are out there. Possibilities are infinite, I would say.
What do you think of first when you think of solar innovations?
Innovative. We make the impossible possible. Basically, customers come with us with stuff they cannot get from anybody else, and we make it possible.
So what's the coolest thing you do here at Solar Innovations?
It's always the next thing we do, honestly, because we're always innovating. So it's always the next thing we get from a customer.
At one time, a turtle house, which basically a customer came back to us, and he wanted to have a structure, big structure, like an actual room for his turtles. So we designed that, and we provided them with this one. The structures made out of aluminum and glass is one of the coolest products we have here.
We make the impossible possible. We can do anything.
What we're going to be showing you is basically a simulation of an impact. Anything different than just a 2x4. It will be traveling somewhere around 35 miles per hour. This is required to protect both the people and properties inside of the building.
Can I do this job?
Yes, you can do anything. All you need to do is dream, make it happen.